Okay, what we are doing today is using NULON air intake cleaner foaming. It's similar to Seafoam or Subaru upper cylinder head cleaning foaming product. You use it to clean your throttle body, which I'll be a little cautious of here being that it's electric. So I think there's a chance that you can damage them, but I think you have to be pretty overly generous with it for that to occur. And then you obviously squirt it into the inlet manifold to sort of run through the inlet manifold into the combustion chambers and whatnot. So for that process, I'll probably use this suction hose here, which is a fuel vapor return system from the fuel tank. So it's a one-way valve, so I can just pop this off. It won't damage anything having that off. Hopefully the car should still run fine. The MAF sensors are there and down here, so that should be not a problem. I won't be removing the spark plugs to fill the piston tops for that section. I'll just be doing a basic throttle body, running with this, squirting some in, letting it soak, and then just blasting the rest through for the final several minutes. Clean the can out. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Suitable for all petrol vehicles. Lots of various claims there. Now, most reviews online for these sorts of products either rave about them or will show very little results, but you know, this engine's got 220,000 kilometers on it, so well, hopefully it doesn't make any other issues considerably worse, but we'll see how it goes. This product is available from Supercheap, reasonably priced compared to some of the other ones, and Australian company. Okay, so I've disconnected the throttle body inlet, and as you can see, I've just sort of sprayed some of this in there. I have actually cleaned this out previously, so it's not super bad. But I'll catch this before it runs all over the engine. And this is the inlet hose. I just sprayed a little from the other side as well. Sorry, the fuel vapor inlet hose. So I'm just gonna make a little toothbrush in there very gently and just try and sort of run this around a bit. Just want to be cautious being that it's an electric throttle body, I don't damage anything. Just want to give it another little spray higher up. You can see the foaming action obviously there, but it's named for. Right, let's give this a clean and see how we go. One interesting thing to note here is the throttle body on the Megane 2 Renault Sports here. As you can see, it seems to step down for the butterfly there. Not sure on the actual diameter going in, but yeah, it's just an interesting point. Okay, so we've done the throttle body cleaning. Now, just before I do the high idle and squirting half a can in, I'm just going to show you what happens when you do disconnect this vacuum hose here. So it sucks very hard, and the revs rise considerably. So when I have the straw squirting into here, I'm going to also have my finger over it so it's not sucking in excess air. Right, go to 2000 again. So no smoke after the initial first start, which is surprising. So I was expecting there to be a lot more smoke, not start. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we've got half a can left to go, as step 4 shows. And we're just going to keep the engine on higher revs and clean this through as it goes. and then I'll leave it 5 minutes again, and then go for a bit of a squeeze around the block just to try and clean it out. But I'm surprised at the moment that there's no actual smoke pouring out the back. It's quite clear. Wave, Xander. Yep. So now we're just getting ready. I'm just going to disconnect this vacuum hose again, and we're going to keep the car on a high idle and clear out the second half of this bottle. I am expecting smoke at this stage. We'll see how that goes. So we've blasted the whole can through, and idling fine. No noticeable smoke or anything, which was really weird. I was expecting it to be heaps. There's no odd odours or anything like that either, which is interesting. But I'll give it a tape on the first start up tomorrow as well, and we'll see how it looks there. Maybe smoky once some of this is not blasted all the way through.